Today in cookbook I'm going to be making you chicken honey mustard sausages. But I have to tell you that I got to know that honey heated is not good for health. So today we are not going to be using honey, but we are going to be using gur. So it's going to be a bloody good chicken sausage. Such a bad joke. So let's just start. So in a pan, little oil, butter. Into this, chicken sausages. Give it all a nice good stir. Let it just fry. So can you see how it's nicely opened up and looks so cute? Also, the reason I cut the sausages like this is because all the flavoring will now go into it. So let's start. 1 tablespoon of freshly ground mustard. A pinch of chili flakes. I'm going to put some soy. And I'm going to put some gur. Give this all a good stir. Now just cook this. And let all the flavors get into the sausages. This is done. Put it into a bowl. And it's hot. Ow! But it's so tasty. And I'm going to behave like that very, very irritating guest who does not wait for anything to get cool. So it's spicy and it's sweet and it's got a lovely umami flavor. As a starter, it's like really fabulous.